What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aki Vlogs and this video is your guide for a trip to the Ooties. Well, we started this ride at about 6 o'clock in the morning from Mangalore. We have covered over 160 kilometers. We are going to be entering Wayanad in a short bit, so I thought I'll intro the vlog so that you guys get to see the beautiful road. Apart from being a trip guide for all of your Ooty plans, this video is also going to be documented for me and the boys to watch back how much fun and how much we explored Ooty. So let me tell you that I'm going to be documenting everything. It's going to be very raw. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. So the people in the bakery told us that entering from Wayanad would be a longer route and there is nothing beautiful and nothing that we have not seen before. So we are planning to enter via Tolpetti and then go to the Mudumalai Safari. Apparently there's a beautiful safari that we can experience there. So I'll see you right over there. You know you entered Kerala as soon as you see the roads. I'm always appreciative about how amazingly these roads are constructed in Kerala. While we entered the border, they clearly told us that if you're coming back from the same way, you need the COVID negative test. But we are planning to go to Ooty from here, and from there we're going to exit directly towards Karnataka. Let's see what's going to happen. We have to plan something appropriately. Mudumalai.
Mudumalai?
Ah.
What to Ooty?
Pinne Ooty. Tuni okay. Tuni cameras.
What about 4 vehicles?
Rendu vandi undu. Idu edane? Da idu eda engine? Da idu illegal alle? Da kalla? For those of y'all who didn't understand what I was talking with my fellow rider, Kerala cops are very well known for how strict and arrogant they are while it comes to following rules, which is a very good thing. But Vinod, that's an Impulse. It's not a stock Impulse though. He's riding it on a ported engine from a Charisma. So it's funny how we sneaked it through the cops. So as soon as we passed, I was just pulling his legs and having a little fun. We passed this border, now we have to get back home with the same bike because we were, obviously a little worried as to if we get caught, what's going to happen. So it's all fun. I hope you guys get it. So we just stopped for lunch after the forest road and I just realized that I have two friends that are already camera friendly. That is Prajay.
Yes, thank you.
Shreyas. But Vinod is on camera for the first time. Cheta, As soon as the forest road got over, we found this hotel called Wayanad Kitchen and there was a person standing outside who was stopping all travelers and tourists to come and have lunch at his joint. So when we stopped outside and we asked him if there is lunch available because it was 1:30 in the afternoon and obviously lunch should be available. He promised us, yes, there is chicken, there is veg, there is everything that you want. But as soon as we got inside, he is like, there's only one plate of that curry, there's only one plate of this curry. Anyways, not going to spoil my mood because of that. I had Kerala Parota, mandatory, and one egg curry that we got. Heading towards Mudumalai Safari right now. We have to get there in 1.5 hours. So we have about 120 kilometers to do in 1.5 hours and we are not going to stop. Continuous ride करेंगे. मिलेंगे आपको सफारी के यहाँ. Bye bye. Here is proof to all of you guys that I have the worst friends ever. In straight trips where the road is amazing and great, they tell me I ride too fast and they are unable to catch up with me. But look at them right now. As soon as the road gets like this, I have to slow down to take care of my bike and my shocks, and they are nowhere to be seen. Thanks, best friends. You guys are amazing. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no, nope, not at all. We couldn't do a one stretch ride because of the excruciating heat that Mother Nature decided to pour on us. We were expecting the weather to be pleasant if not cold. That's why I'm wearing a jacket, a full sleeve, and then these. I'll give you more explanation about this. Probably these are the only good decision I made today. Let's get to that a little later. We stopped for a tender coconut break because it was too hot for us to ride. Cheta, isn't it a full tank? Full. Just when I thought that the whole corona situation came into a little bit control, Modi ji was like, no traveling. Spike the fuel prices up. 92.47 ale. Madi. So here is some information before you guys come to the safari. This safari has got two names, that is Bandipura Tiger Safari and Madumalai Tiger Safari. Both the safaris are same. It's a program of, it's a drive of 1 hour. The last pickup time is 6 o'clock. The only difference is that Bandipura Tiger Safari is conducted by the Karnataka government and Madumalai Tiger Safari is conducted by the Tamil Nadu government. So if you're someone who's going from Tamil Nadu towards Karnataka, then the Bandipura Tiger Safari makes sense to you, because after the safari, exiting towards Karnataka will be easy. But for us, since we're going from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, which is Ooty, our end destination is Ooty, so we are going to Madumalai Tiger Safari. It's there is a rate change. The prices differ from about 200 or 300 rupees. The guard told us that it's probably 400 or 300. That's 100 rupees difference between both of them, which isn't a big deal. Also, it's an advantage because the gates close at 9 PM. So after 9 PM, you can't even go towards Ooty or come back to Karnataka because the gates would have got closed here. Bro, it's best for you to ask them, bro.
No. Even here, no. We will remain closed from 9 PM to 6 AM.
Huh?
Pass it, yeah. E-pass. ಗಾಡಿ ತಿರ್ಸಿ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕಡೆ ಕವರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ TNE ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಗ ಬೈಕ್ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ ಕಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇದು ವಯ ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಪಕ್ಕನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೋ ಅದಿಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದೇ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಊಟಿ ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಏದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಏದು ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ,
ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಓಕೆ. When we Bala baby, let's go guys. When we check the requirements to cross TN border yesterday, there was nothing. But as soon as we came to the border over here, people the security said that you need the e-pass, and there's no network here. We tried to get help of people. Obviously nobody is helping, but that's okay. We finally got it, so we are heading towards the checkpoint now, and we have got our e-pass. That's what we are going to show. ಆಯ್ತು, 10 ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ,
30 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ?
4
4 40 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 40 ರೂಪೀಸ್.
ಕುರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಯಾವ ಪೈ ಡಾ. So we have to come here, show our pass, do the entry and leave apparently. Sir, entry. Entry ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮದು 4 people.
3.
1 2 3 4. Oh my god, this is one of the biggest bullshit. Alright guys, we did it! Oh god. Guys, I can't tell you how difficult this process was. There's no network, nobody is helping us. Finally we got the... Oh, something's happened over here. We have a crash. Please tell me everybody's fine, please. Oh shh. No, he's sleeping. He's fine. He's just taking a nap. Might. Alright, I'm a little too excited about getting the pass. You guys can clearly hear it in my voice. Guys, you remember how I showed you in the vlog earlier how my friends are horrible. Prajay lost or like forgot to take all of his cards. I took it for him. Let's go ask him for it. Prajay, give your Aadhaar card. No, he said he'll click a photo of it and tell that you're coming tomorrow. Just give me your Aadhaar card. I don't have mine.
Enough Aadhaar card.
He wants the card so he can take it. It's an original, like as if.
Where is that?
What do you mean? Which one?
There was this green color thing, bro.
Where? Old bro, Nana Alpabudi and the Panochi Mare. Tata Panondula.
Right at the license.
Atmare, Erna got it Ditini.
Ninna got it.
Himena Betene Mare.
Ninna got it. Erna got it.
At bro, I can on the like and in the Gendrabatini.
We're not messing around.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, license poor right at the ATM.
Nadia, Netulu Nadu.
Open.
Don't forget, I'm a great friend, you son of a bitch. Huh? At Diti Nana Gadid, Incha Burdu Pota. I got Adige Bidaru, Mugumele. Nana Page Javaneg. Alright, a failure here because we were about 12 minutes late. But no regrets because Ooty is just about 30 or 40 kilometers from here. It's a straight road and this road apparently is very beautiful for bikers because of its twisties. I don't regret missing the safari for 2 particular reasons. Number one, now we know that we have to come at 5:30 is when they close the counter. So you can't do it after that. Secondly, he said that if you come early in the morning, that's 6 o'clock, that's when you get the best experience of the safari because that's when the animals are most active. Also, right behind the camera, there is a beautiful school of deers. I'm giving you a zoom in shot for sure right now in the edits. It is so beautiful to experience and see what they do and what their behavior is like. They're just minding their own business and that's, I think, the most beautiful thing. Alright then, that's about it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe. I know today's been a little bit of a non-adventurous day but a very adventurous day. We are staying in a very beautiful place. I'll reveal all of that in my next video. Make sure you guys come back. I promise it's not going to be like today's failed mission but adventure. It's going to be only adventure. See you in the next one. Peace.